Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn on and off your Instagram autoplay. So what happens when you turn on and off your Instagram autoplay is basically, let's say you're watching a video on Instagram. If your autoplay is turned on, then after the video is complete, the next video is going to start playing automatically. But if your autoplay is turned off, before playing the next video, Instagram is going to ask you, do you want to play the next video or not, right? That's basically what turning on and off your Instagram autoplay does. And there is not a single button through which you can just turn on and off your Instagram autoplay. You need to do it through other way, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, want to step, and let's move on. First step, you click on the profile picture at the bottom of your screen after opening Instagram, and click on the three line at the top of your screen and go on setting. Once you go on setting, you go on account, and on account over here you can see data usage right under sharing to other apps. Click on data usage, and if you want to turn off autoplay, make sure you turn this on. Alright, make sure use less cellular data is turned on. Alright, once you turn that on, it's gonna use less cellular data, which means like your other video is not gonna play due to Instagram is trying to save your data. Alright, so Instagram is gonna ask you, do you want to see the next video or not before you play it. So if you turn it on, then basically it's like turning off your autoplay. If you turn this setting off, then it's basically like turning on your autoplay. Alright, so it depends if you want it on or off. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can turn on and off your Instagram autoplay. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, stay safe, peace out.